Hello. Welcome to the channel. ISA are the most popular and common saving investment tool in the UK, as it will save you all the headache of taxation and let you enjoy a tax-free earnings. In this video, I will cover all the ISAs available in UK, what the current ISA limits, and how to maximize your return. So do watch till the end, and this will be probably the only video you need to see to understand all about ISAs in the UK. So now let's jump directly into it. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an ISA? An ISA is a saving account where you can stash your hard-earned money without paying any tax on the interests or gains. Currently, there are 5 types of ISAs, each with its enchantment. The stock and share ISA, the cash ISA, the lifetime ISA, the innovative finance ISA, and the junior ISAs. Let's explore them one by one and see what all these ISAs stands for. So first one is stocks and share ISA, commonly known as SS ISA. As the name suggests, the SS ISA let you invest in the stock market, bonds, and other magical securities. By using this account, all your dividends and capital earnings are non-taxable. You can open the SS ISA account via your bank, in fact any bank, not only your current bank like Lloyds, Barclays, HSBC, etc. Also, you can use some other non-banking providers like Trading 212, InvestEngine, etc. Choose what is best suited to you. A few pointers to check before you open your account is commission charged, fees, and of course the service reputation of these institutes. Alright, I will not go into the details. You can ask me in the comment section if you need more information on these accounts. Next is Cash ISA. The Cash ISA is like a cozy wizard cottage of your savings. Since it is a saving account which holds your cash and pays you interest, hence it's a low risk and the interest is tax-free. Perfect for cautious wizards. And if you have not watched my previous video, go and check out this amazing high interest rate ISA account. Don't lose a chance to earn more for your money. Third one is Lifetime ISA, or commonly known as LISA. The LISA, it's for young apprentice savings for their first home or retirement. The best part of it is the government even add the bonus spell, 25% extra on your contribution. You can use a lifetime ISA to buy your first home or save for later life. For this, you must be 18 or above, but you should be under 40 to open lifetime ISA. You can put in up to £4,000 each year until you are 50. You must make your first payment into your ISA before you are 40. The government will add up a bonus 25% to your savings up to maximum £1,000 per year. All the information shared here is from the UK government websites, and I will leave the link below if you want to verify or are interested in more details for lifetime ISA account. Fourth one is Innovative Finance ISA. The Innovative Finance ISA is for a daring people who lend their gold to peer-to-peer lending platform or crowd-funded ventures. Risky but magical. Again, for more details, I will leave the link in the description if you want to go into the details of it. And the fifth and the last one is Junior ISA. For your little wizards and witches, the Junior ISA is a fairy tale come true. Save their future adventures, education, unicorns, or dragon slaying lessons. Junior individual saving account ISAs are long-term and tax-free saving accounts for children. In 2024 to 2025 tax year, the saving limits for junior ISAs is £9,000. There are 2 types of junior ISAs. It's a cash junior ISA. For example, you will not pay any tax on the interest on the cash you save. The second junior ISA is the stock and share junior ISA. For example, your cash is invested and you will not pay tax on any capital growth or dividends you received. Your children can have one or both types of junior ISA. The child can take a control of the account when they are 16 but cannot withdraw the money until they are turned 18. Now some important points to remember. There is a combined limit of £20,000 per year per person. The annual limit can be in combination with any types of ISA accounts. Example, you can split your 20,000 yearly investment in cash ISA and stock and share ISA. The junior ISA has a limit of £9,000 per year per child. The lifetime ISA has an age limit of 40 and the maximum contribution could be of £40,000 per year. What else? I think that's all the important note. Do let me know if I missed anything or if you have any query which is not covered in this video. How do you maximize your ISA magic? Here are some simple spells to remember. Contribute regularly. Add your cash to your ISA cauldron regularly. The more you contribute, the more potent your magic becomes. Diversify your portions. Mix stocks, bonds, cash portions in your stock and share ISA. Diversification protects you from the dark market forces. Claim your government bonus. If you are a young apprentice with a Lisa, claim that 25% bonus. It's like finding a hidden spell scroll. Review your portions annually. Check your ISA's count annually. Are your portions doing well? Adjust as needed. And there you have it all. UK ISAs, the magical path to your financial knowledge. Remember, the power lies within you. I hope this information will help you. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.